If you or somebody you know has been impacted by child sexual abuse, stay tuned. This is part 4. So for now, this will be my final video today on, or in this sequence, on child sexual abuse information. And I will do more videos on it in the future because this is my area of expertise, like I had mentioned. And so I will definitely come out with more information for everybody. But you know, I can't push hard enough why counseling is needed for these individuals. And really, I have to push for these families because I know the families aren't always cooperative, believe me, and you'll be surprised to hear that. But there were a lot of families I saw that wouldn't even always show up to the forensic interviews. We'd have to pick them up, or only one family member was there, or the family members were already skeptical on, you know, how honest this information was. And half the time we would get the school, you know, the child would report it to somebody at the school, and that's how this information would come out. And sometimes the parents would already know but just never did anything. There is a huge difference between somebody within the family being the perpetrator versus some stranger off the street. Let me just tell you that right now. A personal family member that is supposed to be there to protect you. You're supposed to feel safe and secure with your family. And that person, having that person break those boundaries, break all of that down for this grooming, for the grooming the rest of the family members, grooming this child, because even though they're in the family, they still do that. Believe me. And that is actually more devastating because that person was supposed to be a safe person versus a stranger. I'm not saying a stranger perpetrator does not have its lasting impacts. Let me tell you that. Every case is different. None of these cases look identical. Let me just say that. They're similar, but every case is different. And just what I've seen, it's when the abuser is within the home that has it's harder for that child. It's harder for that child to overcome what has happened because now they have those boundaries that have been violated by somebody that was a known person that was supposed to keep them safe. I will make more videos talking about this in the future, but this will be my last one today. Please follow me and like for more information, and let me support you. Follow for a follow.